Helen's beauty was her greatest glory and her darkest curse. She endured the suffering of being treated as an object of conquest, a woman whose heart was tossed between kings and heroes like a trophy of war. Her suffering in love was not merely her forbidden passion for Paris, but the devastating guilt of watching cities burn and thousands perish in her name. Caught between desire and duty, Helen felt the crushing loneliness of being the most wanted woman in the world, while her soul remained invisible, suffocated by the weight of a war she never truly asked for. Her resilience lies in the courage to survive the ashes of her own myth. Helen walked through the hatred of two nations and, after the fall of Troy, reclaimed her place with a silent dignity that defied her judges. She teaches that true sovereignty is keeping your essence intact when the entire world tries to define who you are. Helen ceased to be just the cause of a war and became the master of her own narrative, proving that a woman can walk through the ruins of the past and still hold her head high, transforming the judgment of others into a legend of immortal strength.